Hi, my name is Chris Wilson, here at assistant golf professional here at South Suburban.
And I'm Todd Marley. I'm the head golf professional here at South Suburban Golf Course.
As you can see, we're now here at the 15th hole, a short par 4, about 366 yards from the back tee. Pretty straight hole. You got a creek that we can't see up there, so we're going to hit a club that's a little short to make sure we don't go in the water there. So as you can see, I have a shorter club here in my hand to, again, like we were saying, keep short of that creek that's up there. This is probably going to try to travel this about 230, 240 yards, somewhere in there, get a little closer to the green for us. So let's give it a shot.
Okay, so here we are in the middle of the 15th fairway. Chris has hit an excellent shot. He's laid it up short of the creek to a good yardage for him to hit his shot into the green.
So what I have here in my hand is I've got a 50-degree wedge in this case here. I'm going to try to leave it short of the hole up there to leave that uphill putt. So let's give it a shot.
So here we are on the 15th green. Chris has hit a real nice shot in here below the hole. It's got about 15 feet right up the hill like he wanted.
So with this being the uphill putt, it gives me the better chance to leave the ball near the hole and not 3-putt in this case. So I'm just going to try to hit one here. Okay, so as you can see, leaving it short of the creek gave us a good second approach there. Left it short of the hole, gave us a 2-putt to make a par there.
So I hope you have learned a few things today. It's been a pleasure being out here. Hope to see you guys out here soon. Please make your tee time at golf.ssprd.org. Thank you.